Welcome to tutorial, and today I will guide you how to unblock your website. Jetpack has locked your site's login page. So you are disappointed with this. Jetpack locked your website. Enter your email, and Jetpack will send you an email on your email address, and then you can log in. It's not mean you just enter any other email and they will send you just need to type your own admin email here. So if you disappointed with this, I will guide you how to solve this issue. Simply just log in with wordpress.com. So enter your email here. They will send you an email, and then your IP will unlock by Jetpack WordPress. So I recommended to just go to wordpress.com and log in your website dashboard here as another dashboard. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now click on settings button and then go to security. Click on security, and here you can see prevent and now here you can click here, prevent and block malicious login attempts. So here you can see this is on. If you disappointed with this, then you can simply off this option. Setting will off, then Jetpack will not send you any this type of Jetpack not show you this type of screen when you try to log in your website. So I recommend you to don't switch off this, because many hacker and many malicious try to log in your website. Then always on this. So add a new IP address, your IP address. Now go back, and now this copy this IP address and enter it here, and then save it. Then Jetpack will understand this is your IP address, and they will not show you this type of screen again. So if you are disappointed, then simply switch off this, but I recommend you don't off this option. So let's refresh our this page. This Jetpack is page is working or not. So let's check why this is not working. Let's save it and refresh our setting has successfully saved. Let's refresh our page. It's working or not. So here you can see our website page is successfully open, and now we can log in with our website. So I hope you understand how to unlock your login page. Just simply go to wordpress.com and log in with, and go to settings and simply do this setting. So if you are, the second option is send a email to your admin email, then they will send you a link, and just copy link and paste it in browser, and then you can log in with your WordPress. But if you want to switch off this option, prevent and block malicious login attempts, then save off this option. So then WordPress not show you this type of screen on your WordPress login page.